I taught Claude to edit my videos for me, and by the end of this video, you can run the exact same skill on your own recordings for free. Let me show you how it actually works. So here's the problem in one picture. We have 5 takes of the same line. 4 of them are junk, 1 is the keeper. Normally, I sit there, scrub the timeline, hunt for the good one, but now if you times that for every single line in the video outline, it's a lot of work. It's slow, super boring, super repetitive. So here's the idea that makes it work. The video outline is the ground truth. I'm not just asking Claude Code to guess what good audio sounds like. I already know what I meant to say because I wrote it down in a video outline. So Claude Code takes what I actually said, matches it against what I meant to say, and keeps the best version of each line. And it runs in 3 steps. First, we transcribe the audio, then we select the good takes, and finally, we cut and polish. Let me walk you guys through each one. Step 1, the transcription. And here, the important part is not just the words, it's the timing of the words. The transcription has to return a time-stamped transcription. You can only cut a word if you know exactly when it happens in the audio. So for this, I use ElevenLabs Scribe. This gives you a good start time and an end time for every single word. And it caches the transcription next to the video so you never have to transcribe it twice. So here is my favorite part of the entire setup. I tested the entire Hugging Face open automatic speech recognition leaderboard first. NVIDIA Canary was too slow to be practical. Whisper Large version 3 was good but slow. So it came down to 2 models. And the trick is that I actually use both of them. ElevenLabs Scribe is by far the most accurate, especially on the brand names and numbers. And it's free to start. You get a fresh pool of credits every month at no cost. Parakeet is also completely free, and it runs fully offline right on my own machine with no limits, and the audio never leaves my PC. So this is how I set it up. First, I run on Scribe's free credits, and the moment I run out of free credits for Scribe, I automatically switch to Parakeet. I get Scribe's accuracy while the free credits last, then Parakeet takes over at 0 cost. Is it paid past the free tier? Sure, but we're never actually using it because of this fallback. I will say that Parakeet's one quirk is that it sometimes messes up brand names. For example, it will turn Claude into Claude, but besides that, it's pretty rock solid. Step 2 is the clever part, and it's the main reason why it beats your normal silence remover. A silence remover cannot cut a botched take because technically you did say the words, you just said them wrong. But matching against the script can. It splits the audio into takes at every pause, matches each take to your script, and keeps the best takes. And here is my favorite detail. When you mess up a line and say it again, the later take wins automatically. So, say it again better works every time. Before it renders anything, it prints exactly what the finished video is going to say. And it prints the lines you never nailed, so you know if you need to redo a shot. And by the way, everything I'm telling you guys is going to be packaged into a skill, which I will have a link in the description so you guys can access it for free. Okay, so step 3 is making it sound human. And this is the part that changes everything. So it's 2 things. First, every cut snaps to a 0 crossing in the waveform, which is basically just a fancy way of saying no clicks or pops or breathing in between. The second and most impactful step is that it uses L cuts for transitions. Basically, the next audio clip starts before the last clip has ended. So in other words, there's a slight overlap between clips, and this is what makes it feel edited by a person instead of a machine. And like I said, this is all packaged into one skill that you can get completely for free with the link in the description. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let me show you guys this in real time in action. So here I'm in my Claude Code session, and I already have the skill in my workspace. So what we're going to do is we're going to call the skill, which is short form edit. We're going to go ahead and tab that, and we're going to paste the path to the video file that you want edited. Okay. In my case, I have it right here. We're going to let it do its thing. And then I'm going to show you guys the before and after so you guys can see for yourselves. And now we're just going to leave it at Opus just so you guys can see the power of this skill. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. And it's gonna call the editing video, the editing skill on this particular video. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how it works. So just bear with me here. All right, so the transcription finally finished. And here it's asking me a couple of clarifications. So I'm just going to quickly prompt it to continue. You can try to do a guesstimate and continue with the editing. I don't want you to remove any of the parts. Okay, we're going to do that. And we're going to go ahead and have it continue. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and play you the unedited version first. So you guys can get an idea of what it's like. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you what Claude edited. All right, so let's just play. Again, it's going to be very quick, just a couple of seconds. I'm going to play it in 2 speed so you can be fast. Meta built an AI that reads a sentence you're trying to type straight from your brain. Meta built an AI that reads your brain. Meta built an AI that reads a sentence you're trying to type straight from your brain. All right. Meta built an AI that reads a sentence. You get the point. There's a lot of mess ups, a lot of dead space in between, a lot of redoing. And now let's see the edited portion. All right. And now this is going to be the edited portion. I'm going to play it in regular speed so you guys can see the little tiny details and the intricacies. All right. Meta built an AI that reads the sentence you are typing straight from your brain. No implant, no surgery. It is called brain to QWERTY. You sit under a brain scanner called an MEG. Type on a keyboard and the model turns your raw brain signals into text. Version. Okay, cool. So, yeah, as you can see, it's a lot smoother. All the in betweens, all the dead silences are cut off, right? And I want to show you guys what I was talking about with the L cut, which it's pretty subtle, but it's there. Okay. And this is basically the portion that I'm talking about how it does it automatically. And this is like the very crucial part, which is that as soon as one clip begins to end, the other one it's already started. So the clips are slightly overlapping. So I'm going to show you again. This is very subtle, so just pay attention. Meta built an AI that reads the sentence you are typing straight from your brain. No implant, no surgery. It is called brain. You see? So it's really, really subtle, but it's again, it's overlapping. And that's what really makes this particular skill very powerful. So here's the deal, guys. I took this exact skill, I put it in my community for free. There's no trial, nothing like that. All you have to do is go to the link in the description and go to my community and get this post. You download the folder, drop it into your own Claude code or any AI agent. You set one API key and you can run it into your next video immediately. The link is in the description and on screen. Come and grab it, and while you're there, show me what you cut with it. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.